Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Now we will learn how to create tables in website using HTML. At first we have to include table tag, then we have to include caption. It defines the main heading of the table. After caption we have to create th. Th it declares the header row of the table. Then we have to include tr. It declares the row of a table. Then after that we have to include td. Td is nothing but table data. It defines a cell in a row. We can write unlimited of table data. These are the basics you will need to create a table. Then we have to write table. It is a pair tag. It has opening and closing. Then tr. Then we have to write th name. Then again th. I'm writing here total centuries or total matches. Next line we will write total centuries. Then we will write total 50s. Then we will close tr. Now again we have to include tr. Now we have to write table data. Td is equal to Virat Kohli. Total matches we can write anything that we need, that we can write. So here I am writing 250. Then total centuries I am writing 90. Then again total 50s 139. Now again close tr. Then again write td. Now just we will copy this and we will paste and we will edit this into. Here we will write Sachin Tendulkar. Here we will change the number. Here also we will change the number. Here I will write 85. Now save. Then open. Now you can see. But in this we did not get any borders. We want borders. After table border is equal to 2. Now again save. After saving just reload. Now you can see we are getting borders in each row and each column. So if you want any colors, bg color is equal to our wish. We can write any color we want. Then again we have to save and we have to reload. Now you can see it is in yellow color. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe.